Welcome back to another exciting episode of Synth Breakdown. This episode was requested by Matthew McCarthy. They wanted to analyze the synth tone that is featured prominently at the end of the Sopranos theme song. Alright, let's hop into our DAW here and see what we can do. I'm going to load up a basic synth and set two oscillators to a sawtooth waveform. I'm going to detune one about 5 cents and drop the other down an octave. Now this synth isn't playing a melody with anything other than its filter. To explain this, let's set it up. First off, I'm going to lay out a monotonal rhythm in F, the key of the song. Then I'm going to set up the filter. It's important to push the resonance quite a bit. We can hear how we're getting another tone alongside our initial tone. This is called self-oscillating resonance. Next, I'm going to write some automation for the filter. And that's the basis of our sound. Lastly, we're going to add a saturator. And a delay while cutting off some low-end rumble. And that is our final sound. Pretty freaking awesome. Thanks for watching.